Welcome to a creative and nature-loving DIY project. Today, we'll be combining the art of macrame with a terracotta plate to create a beautiful bird feeder. Whether you're a macrame enthusiast or a beginner, this project is a perfect way to bring elegance and charm to your garden while providing a cozy spot for your feathered friends. Let's get started and craft something special. First, you want to prepare your cords by cutting 6 pieces of 1 mm macrame cord to 60 inches long. After your cords are centered onto your ring, we're going to begin by using another piece of string and doing a gathering knot. This string is approximately 24 inches long, but we don't need quite that much. But you do want to wrap it until you have about an inch, and then take it through the loop and pull. And here we have our gathering knot. Now, separating each section into 2 cords, you want to go ahead and add a bead to each section until you have a total of 6. Now we want to tie an overhand knot at the 8-inch mark for each one of our sets of cords. So taking one cord from each section, you want to get to the 6-inch mark and tie yourself another knot. This will join your sections together. You're going to continue to do that until you have your netting the whole way around. From this point, we want to move all of our cords, take and gather them at 4 inches and make another gathering knot. Pulling it through the loop and tightening it. We'll go ahead and take some scissors, trim that and the bottom at your desired length. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope you had fun making the macrame bird feeder with a terracotta plate. Remember to subscribe to Renew Crafts and Creations for more unique DIY projects. Happy bird watching!